In our previous class, we have discussed when the quantities are different, prices are different, both of them are different, then how to solve the questions. Yes, we have seen that we could make the quantities equal by the cross multiplication method, okay, and then we simplify the question, we find the profit percent or loss percent. In today's lecture, we will discuss if prices are same, as in cost price and selling prices are same, but quantities are different. In that case, how can you solve those questions with easy steps and less number of steps? Okay, so you need to understand the difference between today's lecture questions and the previous lecture's question. You should be able to identify. All right, so let's see how it is, and then we'll practice more questions so that you will have clarity of the concept. This says if the cost price of M article is equal to the selling price of N articles. Okay, so you can see clearly here. What do you see here? You see that the cost price of some number of articles is equal to selling price of some number of articles. Okay, compare that with the previous lecture's question. If 11 mangoes are bought for rupees 10 and 10 for rupees 11, sold at 10 for rupees 11. Yes, so prices were also different and quantities were also different. In today's lecture, we can see we have example where the prices are same. Okay, yeah, cost price of M article is equal to selling price of N article. So if I try to write this in maths formula, I can say cost price of M articles equal to selling price of N articles. Okay, not in terms of formula, I'm sorry, in terms of expression. So this is what it means, equal, correct? So if you get these kind of questions, then how to simplify them? There are various methods to solve such questions. I will try to give you easiest solution. It says if the selling price of 12 articles is equal to the cost price of 18 articles, then find the profit percentage. So now question itself says there is a profit, okay, but many times they will ask you to find whether there is a profit or loss. Okay, so solution, selling price of 12 article is equal to cost price of 18 article. So first of all, why is it a profit? Why is it a profit? It says it simply means that you purchased 18 articles and you got, let's say, 100 rupees. You got 18 articles for 100 rupees, right? And you sold 12 articles for same 100 rupees. Okay. Now understand, money wise you got equal money, like you bought it for 100 rupees, you sold 12 articles for 100 rupees. So money wise you still have got your money return, but you still have 6 articles which are there with you. You can sell them off and then you can earn profit on that, right? So there is a profit there, okay, not in terms of rupee but in terms of articles. Okay, so how to calculate this? Now you need to understand I hope you remember the BODMAS rule. Yeah, BODMAS. Yeah, we have discussed about BODMAS in percentage lectures also. BODMAS, this stands for bracket. Okay, in the brackets also we have priorities. So BODMAS rule says first you solve this, then you solve this, then you solve this part, then you solve this, then you solve this, then you solve this. What are the full forms? First you solve brackets, then you solve O. O stands for off. Off is simply mean multiplication. Okay, D means division, M means again multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. Okay, so O means off, which is nothing but multiply. So if I use it, I can say selling price of means multiply 12 articles equal to cost price of 18 articles, right? So I have selling price by cost price equal to 18. Tell me If I take 12 the other side, it will go in division, right? I hope you remember that. If multiplication we change the side, it will become division. If numerator we change the side, that will become denominator. Okay, so I hope that part is clear to you. So that's how it goes in division. Now simplify. 6 3s are 6 2s are. Okay, now you got the ratio of selling price and cost price equal to 3/2. I know I have not discussed ratio as a concept so far, so that's fine. You don't need to, we are not getting into ratio concept also. We'll keep it simple. Here in this case, just for a sake of shortcut, I can assume that numerator equal, denominator equal, as in I can assume that the selling price is 3 rupees per article or whatever question says, and cost price is nothing but 2 rupees per article. Okay, fine. This is, we can assume just for a sake of shortcut. Okay, now in coming questions, as and when we grow, as and when we practice, we keep on practicing, we'll try to remove steps and we'll make the solution shorter, and then you can flaunt in front of your friends that okay, I know shortcut for these questions. Okay, so now you can see there is a clear profit because cost price is less than selling price. Okay, now profit percentage. How will you calculate profit percentage? I hope by now it must have been by hearted that the profit or loss percentage we calculate on cost price. Numerator is only difference, so 3 into difference is 1. We calculate on cost price is 2, multiply by 100. Okay, simplify 1/2/100 is how much? 50%. So there is a 50% profit in this trade. Okay, when selling price of 12 articles is equal to cost price of 18 articles. Let's see next question. Similar question, more practice, it will make your concepts stronger. Okay, so solution. Now here this says if selling price of 18 articles is equal to cost price of 12 articles, I just simplify, I just swap the numbers, or let me here complete this. Find the profit or loss percent. Yes, because let's identify whether there is a profit or loss, and you don't need to worry, you don't need to keep stressing yourself that okay, I have sold 18 articles, bought 12 articles, profit or loss. We'll see that later. Hold on, we'll see that later. Just keep it simple. You assume whatever is given and try to make one equation with the given information. So selling price of 18 articles, so selling price of 18 articles equal to cost price of 12 articles. I can replace of with which sign? Mathematical sign? Multiply. In next question I will directly write the second step. I hope that will be fine with you. And here cost price of 12 articles. Simplify. 12, 18 will go towards right hand side, that will become denominator. Cancel 6 2s are here, 6 3s are. Tell me, if I compare cost price and selling price, which one is higher? Okay, before that, yes, before that, by having this condition, selling price by cost price is equal to 2/3, we can assume what? The numerator equal to numerator, so denominator equal to denominator. Yeah, this is just for sake of having shortcut. I repeat that is just for having shortcut. We cannot identify the prices by having only this much of information. Okay, so for shortcut I say selling price equal to 2 rupees per article and cost price equal to rupees 3 per article. Yes, So now tell me, comparing this, which one is greater, selling price or cost price? I know that's a difficult choice to make, but yes, you can try. Selling price or cost price, which one is greater? Of course, cost price is greater. Is this a condition of profit? No, that's not the condition of profit, because you are selling at lesser price. You are having less income, more you have spent on purchasing, right? So this is a pure case of loss percent. How do we calculate loss percent? Loss percentage is calculated on which price? Cost price, correct. Profit percent on cost price, loss percent on cost price, discount percent on mark price. So loss percent equal to difference, numerator is only difference, 2 and 3, difference is 1, divide by cost price, which is nothing but 3, multiply by 100. We know fraction percentage table, we have by hearted fraction percentage table, we have learned fraction percentage table. 1/3 value of this fraction, 1/3 in percentage is what? 33.33%. If not, then please go to the previous lectures of percentage, and here in lecture 4 of percentage we have discussed fraction percentage. This table I am talking about. Coming back to question here. Great. Okay. So we got the answer. 33.33% loss percentage. Next question. If the selling price of 15 articles is equal to cost price of 20 articles, what is profit percentage? If the selling price of 15 articles is equal to, we'll make it straightforward. Yes. What can I say here? Solution. What do I write here? Selling price of means multiply 15 article equal to cost price of means multiply 20 articles. So selling price by cost price, I take cost price this side and this 15 here. So here I will get 20 by 15. Yeah, we don't need to think about profit and loss as of now. If question says there is a profit percentage, we'll say okay, yes, we trust you, your question, we trust you, that information given in the question is definitely right. Then only we'll be able to solve the question, right? Okay. But although if it is not given profit or loss, or we have to identify whether there is a profit or loss, we have to keep patience. After this step, we are clear that cancel by 5, make it simple. 5 4s are 5 3s are. So selling price equal to 4, rupees per article, and cost price is equal to 3 rupees per article. Yeah, this is what we assume to make it simple, right? Okay, so we can say cost price is less, selling price is more. When selling price is more, there is a profit. So let us calculate profit percentage. Profit percentage here, difference is 1, cost price is 3, multiply by 100, 1/3 fraction into percentage. Yes, we have solved just now, that is 33.33%. Very good, we got the answer. Correct? Okay. Pause this question, try to solve by yourself. We have solved I think 2-3 questions as of now. Same concept. Pause it and solve it and see whether the answer is matching. Solution, keep it short. Selling price of 20 equal to cost price of means multiply 15 here. Selling price by cost price equal to 15 by cost price here, and this 20 I'll take this side. Numbers same side, variable, so prices same side. 20. Simplify. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Selling price is rupees 3 per article, and cost price rupees 4 per article. Okay, here selling price is less, cost price is more. This is the case of loss because you are selling at lesser price. So this is case of loss. So what is loss percentage? Difference 1, cost price 4 into 100. Yes, this will get you 25%. I hope this is clear. That's clear. Very good. Okay, and I'm sure you must have got the same answer also. Good. Okay, the next question is about a dishonest shopkeeper who professes to sell his goods on cost price. Okay, but he is using what? 900 grams weight instead of 1 kg. 1 kg means 1000 gram. Okay, so what is he saving here? He is showing to the customers that I am selling the product at cost price. I am selling the product at cost price, but at the back he is aware about it that he is doing some jhol here, a jhol of what? 100 grams. So he is saving that 100 grams quantity. Yeah, that's where his profit is. Okay, in many books you will find some formulas for such question, but trust me, try to reduce the list of formulas as much as possible. Not needed. Wherever you need to use the formulas, I will tell you that this is the formula you have to use. Otherwise, don't simply keep on increasing the list of formulas, right? Build up basics and let's see how do we use these concepts and how do we use this learning in solving the exam level questions. Okay, so what is happening, that cost price of this 1000 gram, okay, yeah, he's using what? He's selling how much? He's selling only 900 grams. So what is getting behalf of 900 grams? That price is equal to cost price of 1000 grams. Confusing? Let me repeat this for you. Okay. Let me repeat this for you. So question says selling price of the goods is equal to cost price. So he's selling at the goods on, he's selling the goods on cost price, right? That's the question. But instead of using 1000 grams weight, he's using 900 grams. So he's selling how much? He's selling 900 grams here, okay, which is equal to the cost of how much? 1000 grams here. Yeah, he's selling 900 grams, right? Instead of 1000 grams. So he's selling 900 grams instead of 1000 grams. So 1000 gram here. Okay, I hope that's clear. Yes. Okay. अभी भी अगर नहीं समझ, if you're still not able to understand, keep it simple. How much is he selling? That should be multiplied with selling price, and the other part will come with the cost price. Simple. Okay. So again, cross multiply. Take this 900 this side. So you got selling price by cost price equal to 1000 by 900. Okay, simplify this. Yes, and then you have selling price which is 10 and cost price which is 9. I will not write this step of assuming or something. Let's skip that step and go to the next part. That selling price is 10 and cost price is 9. That I have assumed. Okay, that I have assumed. I'm skipping that step. Numerator same and denominator same. Tell me, is the selling price more or cost price more? Absolutely right. Selling price is more. So he is having profit. Profit of how much? Difference. Okay. चलो लिख देता हूँ यार. Okay, लिख देता हूँ. Yeah, you should not feel that पैसा वसूल नहीं हो रहा है. Yeah. So selling price is what? Rupees 10. And I'm taking in terms of weight. So let's say per gram. So this is assumption to make to have the shortcut for this question. Okay. You should always do that. Numerator equal, denominator equal in this kind of question. Okay, so you have rupees 9 per gram. at least now you can tell me that selling price is more. Yes, selling price is more. If selling price is more, then there is a profit. Okay, there is a profit. What is the profit percentage? Difference is 1 by cost price, which is 9. Yeah, profit percent we calculate on the cost price into 100. 1 by 9 into 100 is 11.11%. Okay, that's the profit percentage. Right? I hope that's clear. Now, where do people make mistake? They say that, okay, they are saving, the shopkeeper is saving 100 grams over 1000 gram. Yeah, 100 gram over 1000 grams. So 100 by 1000 is 10%. That's not the answer, right? I hope my students are not going to make that mistake. So this is another question on the same line. I suggest you to pause the video and then try solving this question and see whether your answer is matching with my answer or not. Okay, so here it says again, sell his goods on cost price, but this time the weight used is 800 grams instead of 1 kg, which is nothing but 1000 gram. Make sure that you make the units equal. Okay, selling price equal to cost price, but selling only 800 grams. Okay, instead of 1 kg, so 1 kg is here, right? 1000 gram. So selling price by cost price equal to 1000 by 800. Okay, simplify, zeros gone, selling price is 10, cost price is 8. So you can see there is a clear profit here because selling price is more. Profit, let's find the profit percentage. Okay, so profit is what? 2 over cost price, 8 into 100. So this is 1 by 4. This will get you 25% profit. Yes. Okay. Now, homework. Best part of the lecture, homework. So there are 5 questions. Try attempting these questions. We are going to discuss these questions in the at the end of this series. As I discussed, there are around 10 parts of profit and loss. I will create the 11th one where I am going to discuss only homework questions there. Okay, so this is it in today's video. Thank you so much. My name is Shyam Manawat. I will see you in the next lecture. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.